I've worked here since 1980. I've seen a lot of changes over the time. One of the more recent initiatives that's come about here at Allison Transmission occurred in October of 2014. That was with the Vitality Program. And the Vitality Program provides an opportunity for all the employees, plus their spouses and their kids, to get involved in a wellness program that actually, the more they get involved, the more benefits they get from it. One of the first benefits they get from it is improved insurance rates. And it also gives you an opportunity to develop a lot of new friendships and camaraderie with people that I had no idea worked here before. Now they're over at my house playing volleyball. Vitality came at the right time for me personally. Growing up, I was very competitive in everything I did. But then I had a family. And so my focus went to my family. And so over the course of several years, I got out of shape. It helped motivate me. I shed 35 pounds, and then I've been able to share that enthusiasm to other people. As an assembly engineer, I'm working with a lot of salary people and I'm working with a lot of hourly people. On my assembly line, I got folks all the time that I'm always telling them, you need to get involved with this. And once they understand, they're enthusiastic. I think people know that I'm a high energy kind of guy, and when you believe in something, it shows. And I think nobody would question that this is not something that I believe in, and I think the company, the fact that they have done this I think it's phenomenal. Once you're involved, you're gonna love it.